Hi Libra, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are taking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the special fairy tale pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So that can give you more clarity, guys. Let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Star, Seven of Pentacles, and Four of Wands. So Libras, in your situation today, guys, you have a great hope or faith in your future. You are expecting some great changes for yourself. You have that inspiration in your heart, and you are you have faced a lot of troubles in your life and you have a lot of experience. But whatever your situation is, you feel that balance in your heart and you have peace of mind and serenity because you are accepting things as it is, guys, trying to be silent and trying to be still and happy no matter what, because happiness attracts more happiness in your life, guys. So if you are happy no matter what, I see happiness is what you are getting today, Libras. And in your situation, you have tasted success, and in certain parts, maybe in your work, you have some successful projects and you feel really happy for that. But today you are making an important choice, or maybe you are waiting for the next path to open up or next offer to come towards you, and you are thinking about the right thing for you or the right approach or the right choice, whatever it is in your work or it may be in your relationship, guys, Libras. And I also see that you are celebrating something. Maybe you are celebrating this love you have with this person. Maybe you would have faced a lot of trials, you would have made a lot of sacrifices for this love, but you have that beautiful understanding today and you are happy for it, guys. And all those sacrifices you have made are worth it for this love. So that is what you feel, or that is the energy here, guys. So this person may be the right person for you, the person for your life, and you love them a lot and they love you a lot, Libras. So that is what I see with these cards. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have 10 of Wands in reverse. So in your relationship, guys, you are facing a lot of difficult situations, just like the previous cards. Each and every day comes with a lot of challenges. So it is in your hands to see it as a challenge or a difficulty. So I see with these cards that you see it as a challenge, and you know perfectly what is the right way to overcome these challenges in your love situation, guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Page of Wands. So in your work, there is some kind of a positive news reaching you today, guys. It may be a beginning of a new project or some financial deals you have landed or some agreements, something happy, some positive changes for you for your work situation, guys, Libras. So that is the reading for you all today, Libra. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, today It's going to be a fairy tale pick a card love reading. So we have two cards here. This is your first card, this is your second card, and we have two crystals. So you can either meditate with the cards or the crystals. Think about your situation for a few seconds in silence. Close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. For those who chose this crystal and this card, let's see what is the card. It is fair, brown, and trembling. So that is the card for you all, guys. So with this card, the energy is that when this card comes to you, it just means that you do not have to accept what others are expecting you to do. Maybe they have some plans for you. So you do not have to accept those plans, whatever it is, guys. Maybe you are shy and nervous and you are you feel humiliation when you do not listen to others. But whatever it is, guys, you need not accept what others are wishing for you or others are expecting you to do. You just have to do what you love to do and what you want for your life. And maybe you need to value yourself for what you are. Maybe your shyness or strangeness, whatever it is going to be most valued because it is your own unique quality, and the person who likes those qualities will come towards you. You need not worry, guys. So you need to accept that person who respects you for what you truly are. And today you are going to get lucky. You are going to find that true happiness and a true gift that will only bring you happiness and not the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe in your situation, people from your family or your parents or siblings, they are forcing you into something, but you need to take stock, go with what you like, and choose someone who will respect you for what you are, guys, and see the truth in you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the guidance with this oracle card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal, the second crystal, and the second card, let's see what it is. It is Verde Prato, wounds. So for those who chose this card, guys, the second card, it just means that you are in some situation. Maybe you are facing a lot of stress or worries, or you are being punished for what you are hiding, guys. Maybe you have kept something in secret. You have hidden your feelings or emotions you have for someone, and people close to you. It may be your family members or friends, whoever it is. They are trying to control your decisions, and they are trying to punish you for what you are hiding from them. And the worst has happened and you are in a lot of stress and troubles. But whatever it is, if you stay true to your heart, you are going to pass this test, guys. And there is no need for you to expose your true feelings to these people who are trying to control you. You do not owe them anything, guys. and this is the time for you to feel free, feel happy, and your love, true love, will come to you. For sure, it will come back to you and it will find you. So, you need to uh, just stay true to your heart, true to your feelings. So, sometimes in life, guys, if we have some emotions or love towards someone, we should not hide those feelings. It is only going to lead to pain and some kind of misunderstandings. So, we should tell that person the truth, what we truly feel, and we should face any fears that we have in our life, in any situation, and whatever wounds that we get in this course of loving a person, it is all going to get cured through our own courage. So we have the solution right within us. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the story for you all, for those who chose the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this video resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.